Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can reset old settings on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on settings. And in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on general. Next, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset. From the pop-up, tap on reset all settings. Next, you need to put in your screen passcode. If you put in the correct screen passcode, you should be presented to the next screen. In here, tap on reset all settings. And then finally, just tap on reset all settings again to confirm. Now this will reset all settings on your Apple Pay cards. Keys and passes will be removed, and so that no data or media will be deleted. So that means your photos, pictures, and other things will not be removed. Only the settings on your iPhone will be reset back to the default. I'm going to tap on cancel for now, but when you want to go ahead, just simply tap on the reset all settings button and your phone will start to reset itself. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.